Is your Apple Watch pairing pop-up not showing on your iPhone? This usually happens due to Bluetooth issues, outdated software, or a glitch in the pairing process. Don't worry folks, in this video I'll show you how to solve the Apple Watch pairing pop-up not showing on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before we start the main process, make sure to take care of these basic things. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is connected to its charger. Your Apple Watch and iPhone need to be connected to a stable and same Wi-Fi network. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone and Apple Watch. Keep your Apple Watch and iPhone close to each other during the entire update process. Solution 1. Update your software. First, open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new software update, then download and install the update. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Scroll down again. Tap Erase all. After erasing all, try to pair again. That's all. This is how you can solve the Apple Watch pairing pop-up not working on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye for today.